Today I'm checking out this GoPro. This is the Pro 3.5mm mic adapter. So basically you cannot run a USB or 3.5mm mic off of your GoPro without having this extra adapter, because there's logic in this that your camera does not have. You can't just plug in a USB-C into your GoPro and it just work. It doesn't work that way. You have to have an adapter. You have to have this, or I think they have another one called the Media Mod that works with the newer ones. I bought this one because I have multiple GoPros. We just bought a new one, which this says it's 12 compatible, but we also have a 5 and an 8. Although it doesn't say the 5 on here, it just goes down to the 8 here. This is supposed to go back and be backwards compatible all the way through, I believe, all of them that accepted USB-C. But I am going to try this on my 5 just to make sure it works, but this should go back to all of those. So anyways, let's get this thing out of the box and check it out. And this is it. So again, box, this is what it was held in the box. But this is the adapter. It's just basically a dongle. This USB-C here goes into the camera, and then this hangs down, and this provides you a 3.5mm and a USB-C here specifically to plug a mic into. And of course it's GoPro branded because it is from GoPro. It is very lightweight, so it's not going to add a lot of weight to your camera. It does add some bulk, but a lot of the camera mounts that you can get, or the cases that you can put around it, now have like a little section underneath. So you can plug this into the GoPro itself, and then you can slide this big piece underneath it. So if you have the case that'll do that, just look underneath your case to see if it has that gap in the bottom, and you should be able to slide this into that. Now, you know, not all cases allow that, but just a note there if you're worried about the size and, you know, how heavy it is. It's not heavy at all. I mean, this thing's really lightweight, but bulkiness, you know, it adds a lot of bulk to such a tiny camera. And this will allow you to run, you know, these two types of connections for a mic. So very important. If you think you can just plug it in to the side, sorry, it's not going to work. You have to have this. So, all right. Well, I hope this was helpful. Thank y'all very much for watching. Take care.